Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transform your image from this to this. Again, let's look at that again. The before and after. So first of all, I downloaded this image from freepix.com. You can also download and follow along. So let's begin. Let's delete the layer 1 first. Okay, so now let's make a duplicate of the background layer by pressing Ctrl J. Now with the top layer selected, go to filter and then select liquify. Wait for it to open. Now let's zoom in to the shape or hip side, because that's where we want to add the changes. Now select your forward wrap tool here and now click and drag. Always remember to keep it natural. Don't let it look too artificial. So let's make it natural. So you click, you drag like that, like this. Let's keep it natural. When you are done, you press OK. So now let's look at the before and after. This is the before and this is the after. Before and after. So guys, this is how to add shapes or curves to your image. Thank you for watching.